everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Alana with Jellyblue Jewelry, and today I'm unboxing a couple mystery boxes from Kandy Pro. These are the dip mystery boxes for January and February 2021. They are still available on the website as of today, which I think is March 5th or March 6th. I'm not paying attention well to my dates. They don't have one up for March yet, so I'm kind of keeping an eye out for that. This is my first time opening a package from, or even trying out their product. So the one came in a box, and the other one came in a bag, and I think they said something about that. But that's okay. I reuse these little boxes for my... Oh, look, they already swatched them for me. That is so cool. Anyway, I was prepping and getting ready to swatch them, and nope, they already did all the work for me, which is really nice. Alright, so these are nail candy dip powders, 1/4 ounce. They only have 1/4 ounce available. This is Salutation number 681, and I don't know if there's 2 or 3 dips on here. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. I honestly don't know. I think this one's the January box. Yeah, I think this is the January box. But this blue is going to be great, I think, also in the spring and the summer, not just on the fall or winter. And then the next one we have let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. This one is Campus. You can see how it looks in here. It's kind of got like that tinsel glitter in it and some really cute, like, regular glitter. You could probably use it as a topper, or obviously it looks good all by itself too. And I think you could probably use this all year round. So yeah, their boxes don't just include the dips, you're also getting some swatch sticks, and it looks like the one is $10 box and the other one's a $12 box, so I don't know if that has to do with, like, maybe one of the glitter, maybe the glitter's more expensive, I don't know, but you know, that's either $6 a jar or $5 a jar. Anyway, these are really pretty. I like that. Let's move them out of the way. Here is my other kit, and it comes in a organza bag, a nice organza bag, which I also reuse those because we make jewelry, and when people buy jewelry, I put it in an organza bag. I'm also going to reuse the bubble wrap there to mail out things. Alright, so this time around, I'm going to show you, okay, this is obviously February, because we have Go Girl, which is a pink, $3.78, and Taffeta, which looks like a pale pink to me. So these are beautiful. I love pink. Pink's my favorite color. And yeah, it was the January box that was $12, and the February box, which was $10. So I really think that the glitter probably costs them more to make, therefore they charge a tiny bit more, but $6 for a jar of this powder is a good price. Alright, so over here, oh, it's almost similar to the color I'm wearing, is Go Girl. not quite, it's a super hot pink, which I think is going to be great for the spring and also great for the summer. Obviously I love pink. Can't wait to actually try these out. And then Taffeta here has a shimmery glitter effect. It's a paler pink. Trying to get that, there we go. You can see how pretty this is. Yeah, that's gorgeous. They also have a gel polish box available. I think it's the same price. Both January and February are still available. So like I said, I'm gonna wait for March. I think it's a good deal. You're getting two pre-made swatch sticks, which some places charge like $3 for a swatch stick if you buy their stuff. You're getting some really cute powders. So like I said, I'm excited to see next month. I do apologize for my nails. I'm testing out a nail glue right now, and I didn't put my one nail on, actually I put a couple of them on wrong, and they popped off, and this one I lost completely, so I'm hoping to find it, which is why I'm not completely ruining my mani for that. Anyway, segueing. I will leave a link for the Head Kandy shop website at the bottom. You can see where their mystery boxes are under their nail dips. Also, if you want to follow my page, check out more unboxing videos, just like and subscribe to my video if you liked this video. Also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Jillavu Jewelry. And my website is over here too, in case you're interested in the jewelry that I make. I will see you again next time for more unboxing videos.